innovations that people have attempted to weave into this blessed deen of Allah. From common day practices and cultures. No relevance, no evidence from the Quran and the Sunnah. However, they try to pass it off as a deen. This is called a bid'ah. And these innovations will lead you astray. And whoever is led astray will eventually end up in the hellfire, in which we seek Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's protection from. It is a constant battle. Every day, you are being bombarded, attacked. You are surrounded. And some of us, and most of us, are heedless. Whether it is you turn on the television, or you're on your phone, or you're reading a paper or a book, it has many fronts, many different points, but you are constantly being attacked by this enemy. A mortal enemy of all of humanity. A pandemic of epic proportions. And no, I'm not speaking about a virus or a disease that is physical. I'm speaking about the disease, the virus that has plagued mankind since day one. Ignorance. Al-Jahl. And the opposite of ignorance is intellect or knowledge, understanding, comprehension. Allah Azza wa Jalla, He draws our attention to this in the Quran. And He says, Subhanahu wa ta'ala, wa jalla fi ulah, هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون? Are they equal? Are they at the same level? Those who know and understand, those who comprehend and implement, versus those who are ignorant, unaware, just following, just flowing, not questioning, not understanding. And then He says, Subhanahu wa ta'ala, in a different verse, أَفَمَنْ يَمْشِي مُكِبًّا عَلَى وَجْهِهِ أَهْدَى? Is the one who is walking upon his face, مُكِبًّا عَلَى وَجْهِهِ, meaning he has no sense of direction. He cannot see in front of him because he is being dragged upon his face. مُكِبًّا عَلَى وَجْهِهِ. And this is the same physical attribute that was described for those who get dragged upon their faces to hellfire. So Allah is asking us, is he or she the same? The one who is being dragged upon their faces, misguided without any sense. And مَن يَمْشِي سَوِيًّا. And you compare him to the one who stands upright. Standing upright with a purpose, walking. سَوِيًّا عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ. وَعَلَيْكَ أَن تَتَخَيَّلْ. And I want you to put an image to this. A man who does not know how to utilize his feet. He's flipped upside down and he is being dragged على أم وجهه. And a man who is walking on a paved, straight path. The path is lit, he is upright, and he walks with a purpose. Are they equal? You do not need to be a Muslim to tell me that they are not equal. The greatest knowledge is the knowledge of this Shara, of this deen. For it encompasses every aspect of life. Whether you look at the objective of life, the obedience versus the disobedience, how to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the character the etiquette, the morals and the values, how it upholds all of these. The sciences, the understanding, biology, astronomy, wealth and how you acquire it, how you spend it, how you utilize it. Your health, both physical and mental, life and death, all of these aspects are encompassed in this deen, in the knowledge of the Shara'. So it is the absolute knowledge, the most critical knowledge that we all need to hold on firmly to. And if you look at the Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, his moral character, his physical and mental character is the epitome of perfection. You cannot draw a single deficiency in his etiquettes, in his speech, in his actions. This is why he is the greatest of all examples for all of mankind. And he said, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, من سلك طريقا يبتغي فيه علما سهل الله له طريقا إلى الجنة. Hadith is authentic upon the narration of Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu warḍah. Whoever takes on a journey, a path to acquire knowledge, that knowledge will not only benefit him or her in this dunya, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will facilitate their path into Jannah through this knowledge. And if you look at knowledge today, it has been redefined, misinterpreted, and it has been destroyed by immoral, illogical principles. أقول ما تسمعون أستغفر الله